Good day, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to explore another feature of LightBurn, which I recently started playing with and found that it works quite well. It's called Copy Along the Path. Now, it's very easy. If I switch over to LightBurn and show you, it's very easy in LightBurn if I create a circular object, and let's say put that into line mode, and I want to put my hearts, let's make these a little bit smaller, make these a little bit smaller, and if I change that to a path, I can easily take this heart and center it on my circle vertically. Vertically. There we go. It's very easy if I select my heart and my circle, and I want to do rotate and have my hearts go all the way around. We know that's quite easy. Another way you can do it is if I take my heart again and my circle, and I can go arrange, and I can go copy along the path. I want to rotate, and once again, if I get my 12 hearts, that works well. However, what if I want a big heart and put this on my blue layer again, and let's bring out, say, a star, for example, and make it a little bit smaller, soft here, and center it vertically. Now, if I want to make a circle of these, so I'll select my star and my heart and do a circle array. Well, it kind of works, but it doesn't follow the shape of the heart. So another way of doing this, if I take my star and my heart and I go arrange, copy along path, there we go, and then if I change these, oops, something went really wrong here. Let's try this again. Copy along the path for is not wanting to. Let's try a different shape here. Let's do my heart shape, and I'll make it really small. I know I've played with this before, and it does work. Let's center that vertically. Now let's take my heart. Oh, let's make sure that's a path. That's fine. And let's come up and select my heart shape and go arrange, copy along the path. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, obviously, when I'm done, I probably want to get rid of my starting point. And there I have my hearts going around the path. Now, this is a technique that you may find very useful. Now, the problem with my heart outline is it's not completely symmetrical left to right, so therefore the hearts don't quite follow. But let's try one more example. Let's do polygon shape, and let's set this to 5 sides, and I want to make it regular 120 and 120. And now I want to take this. I dislike the way LightBurn does this, so I'm going to flip my polygon here, and let's try my stars again. I could make it really small, center it vertically. Gonna move it up just a bit here. Okay, and now if I make sure this is a path, oh, there's convert to path, and take my star and my path, and I copy along the path. And I can rotate my stars, which are actually quite symmetrical, so rotating them doesn't really do anything. Okay, and I can change the space between copies. Oh, let's just do number of copies, 10, and here you can even scale copies if you want. Okay, you can rotate, you can scale your copies, autocorrect if it's text. And you can have a different effect. So obviously this is something you'd want to play with a little more to get it to work exactly the way you want it. But I find when you have an irregular shape and not a circle, to create a nice array of objects around it, you need to make sure that you can try this copy along the path function. So, thank you for joining me today, and I'll talk to you soon.